There's a few common mistakes that people make when they're doing the outline of the hair. First things, they get really nervous. There's no reason to get nervous. We put really high quality clippers in so the ear and the neck are protected. Second thing, you've got to stay close to the hairline. If you are shaving right here, that's gonna grow out horribly because you're going to have like grow out and then the actual haircut. So make sure you're staying close to that hairline. You are okay to touch the head with the trimmers. When you do the outline, you're actually going to use both sides of the trimmers. When you make the line, you're going to turn it over and use this part of the blade. When you get all of the hair off, you're going to turn your trimmer over and shave up this part. When you go around the ear, you're going to use either side of the trimmer. Watch and learn.